The project here is to preserve the watercress beds as part of the heritage of the Chiltern Society. The Chiltern Society volunteers started to work here in 1992, and in 2000 we bought the site to replace the structure of the beds. As part of that, we had grants and we had to offer educational facilities and allow public access. So we then found it was necessary to build the visitor centre, and we wanted something that could be used all the year round and yet wasn't expensive to maintain and was environmentally friendly. So we decided to use the heat that was in the water of the stream to heat the centre. And it's been running now for 2 winters, and even with low water flows, it's kept the centre at a very comfortable temperature for a public hall.